Hey guys, this is Abacus.com with a little overview of the abacus, which includes the numbers 0 through 9 on an abacus and how to use an abacus as well. What you see are the numbers of 0 through 9 on an abacus. Each one is identified by how many beads are used to make the number. This is helpful for new students to learn how the numbers work on an abacus when they begin using it on the pretest level and work their way up to the higher levels. What you see is a virtual abacus that has various beads with each one holding a certain value. This is great for curious new students to play around with the abacus beads, and down below you can see the numbers being made as you move the beads. New students can see how far the abacus can go as the numbers get higher and higher. When new students start learning how to use the abacus, they have to learn how it works first. Where you see the green arrows where the ones column is and where new students will begin their work. It can be found by the black dot the second from the right. The left side of the abacus is held with the left hand to make sure it doesn't move around while the student does their work. As students use their left hand to hold the abacus, the right hand is going to be doing the work. Moving around abacus beads is very easy and can be done with just 2 fingers. Your right thumb moves the beads up while your right pointer finger moves the beads down. As students are doing their work on the abacus, they should be able to quickly write down their answers while practicing or testing, so knowing how to hold a pencil can help them while using the abacus. Right-handed students hold a pencil in between their pinky and ring finger and then make a fist to make sure it doesn't fall out while they work. Left-handed students can hold the pencil like they normally do, since the right hand does the work and the left hand holds their pencil. Thank you for watching our overview of the abacus. See you next time.